to use could have, should have, would have, has been, have been, I don't know. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Sarita. Guys, first of all, I want to tell you that I am not an English teacher, I am an English learner. Guys, if you have seen my videos, I always make this statement that I am not a teacher, I am an English learner. Why I make this statement? This is because I don't know how to make sentences, how to use verbs, how to use adverbs, how to use could have, should have, would have, has been, have been, I don't know. Guys, if you are at this channel, want to know about the verbs, adverbs, the sentences, then this is not the right channel for you. But if you want to learn that how to speak in English, then you are at the right channel. Because guys, I always share my tricks and tips that how I have learned spoken English that I can share with you. And I'm 100% sure, I guarantee you, if you will follow my tips and tricks, definitely you will be able to speak in English. So guys, without wasting time, let's start today's video. So guys, I have seen many people saying that you can learn English in a day or two. So guys, please be clarified that English is a language, and to learn any new language, you need to spend some time on that. Yes. So the first thing you need to be clarified that yes, it's going to take some time, and that time you need to decide. Like I decided that in 30 days at least I will be able to speak in English. The same way you need to decide that I'm going to take 30 days or 60 days so that I can learn at least basics of the English. So first thing, please be clarified that you are going to take minimum 30 days to learn that language. Guys, the second thing is very much important. Yes, you need to be disciplined in your work. So what is the first step you are going to take if you want to learn spoken English? The very first step which you are going to take is to surround yourself with the English environment. Now, how will you surround yourself with the English environment? This is very easy. Guys, start watching English content of your choice. If you like cartoons, then start watching cartoon. If you like movies, then start watching movies in English with subtitles first. Guys, one thing you need to take care, or you need to keep in mind, that when you start listening to the English content, please start with the Indian English. Because guys, if you will start with the American English or with the British English, they people speak in a different way. So there is a chance that you will not be able to understand what they are saying or what they are speaking. So that can lead to the demotivation, or you can stop listening to that content. So first thing, please try to listen to Indian English only. So guys, what next? What is the next step? So guys, now you need to speak the sentences what you are listening from the TV or you are listening from the English videos. Yes, but now guys, this is not possible that you can repeat the sentences along with listening to those sentences. So what you can do, you can just make notes on a paper and then you can repeat them. Also make a time schedule, make a timetable that what time you are going to listen to the English content, what time you are going to repeat that content, and with whom you are going to practice. Because guys, practice, if you are learning something in spoken part, then you need to speak that, and for that you need a conversation partner. Guys, there is a common problem with many people that they don't have conversation partner whom they can practice with. And guys, this is a very common problem, but it cannot stop us. Yes guys, do what I did. I made camera my conversation partner. I started making videos. Even I put all those videos on the YouTube so that you can have a look. You can see that how many mistakes I made, and still I am making mistakes, but it cannot stop me. To be very frank, people always make fun of me that this girl posts videos on the YouTube. She makes so many mistakes. She does not know how to pronounce any word. But it's not going to stop me, because I have to learn English. I have to be perfect in English one day. And this I can definitely do. So guys, always practice makes use of things which you have. Don't think about the things which you don't have. So guys, this is all about today's video. Hope you like my video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.